Let us discuss the next question. This question is from the year 2022. With reference to the Anti Defection law in India, consider the following statements. Statement 1. The law specifies that a nominated legislature cannot join a political party within 6 months of being appointed to the House. Statement 2 says, the law does not provide any time frame within which the presiding officer has to decide on a defection case. Which of the following statements are correct? Now, how can you answer this question in the exam conditions? When it comes to the defection of the nominated members, they have an option to join any political party within the 6 months of being elected to the House. The statement 1 is clearly saying that they cannot join any political party. So this is incorrect. When it comes to an independent member, they cannot join any political party. But when it comes to nominated member, the law clearly allows us to join any political party within 6 months. So statement number 1 is incorrect. And when the question of defection arises, the presiding officer will decide on the question and ultimately that will be binding. But the law doesn't provide any time frame within which the presiding officer has to decide. So this statement is correct. Now, which of the following statements are correct? 1 is incorrect. So answer is B. Now let us look at the in-depth explanation. In the Constitution, the provisions regarding the anti-defection law is mentioned in the 10th schedule. And if you look at the disqualification provisions which are there in the Constitution, they clearly says that when it comes to the member of a particular political party, so when he will be disqualified for defection, when he voluntarily gives up the membership of that political party. So in that case, when a person who is elected on the party ticket of a particular party, he gives up the membership of political party, so he will be debarred. And in the second case, when he or she either votes or they abstain from voting in the House contrary to the directions given by the party whip of that particular political party. And even if they vote or abstain from voting contrary to the party whip's directions and they have not been condoned within 15 days, in spite of that also they will be disqualified. And when it comes to the independent members, the independent member cannot join any political party. There is no 6-month time limit for the independent member. So if the independent member who is elected as an independent candidate, if he joins political party at any time, he will be disqualified from that seat. And when it comes to nominated member, because they are not members of any particular political party or because they are not independent members, they have the option of joining any particular political party within the 6 months. But if they also join after the 6 months, they'll also be disqualified. And when the question of defection arises, the presiding officer has the power to decide on the defection. The law clearly doesn't provide any time frame within which the presiding officer has to decide. Hence, statement 2 is correct. So the correct answer for this question is B, only 2.